When your design lacks direction, it's usually because the framing isn't guiding the viewer yet. Today, how to design creative grids. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Start by inserting a grid frame layout from elements and stretch it evenly across the canvas. Upload your images and drag them into each section, double-clicking to adjust cropping for consistency. Now slightly increase spacing between the grid cells to create breathing room. Select the background and apply a soft neutral tone. To make the layout more creative, slightly adjust the brightness or scale of one or two images while keeping overall balance. Use position tools to align everything perfectly.